After that ni vona vanhu vari ku ni attackeni, mbilu ya vuloyi, uzonda K-Nice, dama ni n'wi jelazela, dama ni n'wi sala ndzhaku, u vona ku yini, what, u vona ku tlula leswi, bla 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 and stuff. Mi ni vonini hinkwenu loko ni posta ka Facebook, Mthimbani one man show. A ni tsalangi date ni vula siku, ni vulavula hi n'hweti ntsena ya December, ni vulangi siku. A ni tsalangi venue, right? K-Nice called me. Sweswo swa masiku, bra mina xidumbu, what, blah blah blah, vulongo, mabalansi, ku xivekula, ku tivandla and stuff. He called me. In shock, it was after loko a vone ni tsale ka Facebook ku ri Mthimbani one man show in December. Ti-like ta koho ti ri henhlenyana ku komba ku ri you guys mi agree na swona. Ma vo? You were happy about it, and when I look at the comment, you guys were happy about it. So, mjita anfoinela. Exe ma balance. Or was that December? Yeah, sure vulongo. December night ball. Yabo? And would say venue. And when he asked me about venue, homeboy tagete akula kucheka kumoya ubela kwi. Tagete akula kucheka kumoya ubela kwi. And then atatutuma aya enda post. Loko byela me u ri khale a vulavuli na va le Mthunzi, which anna proof I don't know. Loko kaneteni ni rana proof. Fine. Talk aku ta host 16, ala ku host 21. Nuk na man planet 21. Me futhi nteni ku range me nuk planet 21. Aku home no host 16, na man lave ti 21. Nuk maranjan host 16 men kan host 21 na. Because why na? Ilish. The 16, not 21 teleksu naksu. It's only 1 week. Loko host 16 men tanta host 21. Uhleketa ku vanhu va generate mali na ya ku va ta nghena ka event ya me 21 na. Because obviously the 16 is siku ra busy. Vanhu van'wanyana va ta va dye mali. So ndleka loko ti 21 vanhu va nga ri na mali. Unless loko no host 31, at least ni tshuneta kule nyana. Mara me an targeted 21. Okay? And I'm going to change the date I'm at 21 sini ya ka 31 just because someone came in. And after look abone men post ka Facebook. Right? Okay. The reason why nene hosta one man show are epic. Meant to sakar. It's because the reason nene na hosta are epic one man show ya me is because anyanya leso swaku because mjita host ka 2 times Mthunzi. Anyanya leso swaku va ta ku menu sala ndzhaku na njelazela na ngisala ndzhaku why I hosta Mthunzi na Mthunzimani I hosta Mthunzi. That's why nene I hosta a epic. And remember epic I win karluwa. Epic I win. Mara nini a sacrifice and try. Though the sabotage tive ko it's normal sweswo nge endli shaka hlonga sabotage. The sabotage tive ko this tebe na shiraminyana a little bit, but my good people were there to support me. Van bale palavura support nisponin me man komba. And I still appreciate it for that. I'll forever be grateful. I'm Kansas name. So Nena was one man show are epic because I got not conflict takunum salanzako and stuff. No, you know what? Iman nga Mthunzi, iman ya epic. Because ngandlinga num salanzako. No, after loko no host epic, ikon nga tavu ya Mthunzi. Na loko bracha nyana moya loko ungabi kona. Yabo? So, loko spa ndlela leyo. Nina hosta event was successful. We push and then kuba sharp, right? And then what I'm seeing now, ikuban bari nang jelazela and stuff, and the kuzamina ni lesson ngang jela sola ka WhatsApp. That was real. I wanted to tell him that leswiyan antipfinyingi, he deserves to know, he must know. I'm not fighting him, but he deserves to know, because what I see kat the boy ne is playing hide and seek. Utlanga game yin'wanyana ya ku luma atumbelini, aluma tumberini, aluma tumberini. K-Nice wa ku fika tolo ka music. I've been in the music industry like for so long. Do vanhu va rhandza ku vulavula hi ku yeah u se achieve lexi na lexi mara u ri khale u ri ka music industry. Yes, it's true. Nga va ni nga se achieve leswi na leswi, but I've been in the music industry and my legacy will remain like that. The book of my legacy stays like that. I'm a legend ka Tsonga rap. Doesn't matter ku ni achieve or not. I'm a Tsonga rap legend. I'm not proud as leswi so you guys, you must tiva as talangi xitalo ku munhu a survivor from 2012 until to 2024. As talangi swa kala. A lot of rappers, they failed, bruh. But win botala. So loko ni vulavula hi leswi ni ringeta ku kombisa ku I've been seeing the enemy, I've been seeing snakes, fake friends long before K-Nice came in, long before I endla the promo with the phone now na promed va shoota na swin'wanyana swin'wana swa va actor so sani andzikini gaming loko ku ri munhu loyi a teke ndzundzu lwanga na mkwembo a teke ndzundzu a ni ta ku se ni mile rihlanga la nhlanini, a ni ta ku se ni mile rihlanga la nhlanini ku humesa mele endzeni ka mati a mi ta ba tindzumba the whole night swi twisiseka cause se ni mile timitsu ni dzike west. So I know the game, ni vone swo tala, ni tiva vanhu va ku ni tlanga hide and seek, but they all don't succeed. So the boy rhandza ku what K-Nice do ne, that's why ni le ka track le ya spotlight ni vuri ni kun'we mi athaka xihundleni mi tumbela ivi ka social media mi display a picture ya kun'we mi innocent ku vanhu va ta tshama karhi va ku hey, you're humble, you're good, you're this and that. No, it's not like that. Vanhu lava n'we mi ngo va humble va mi komba ti-picture ta vu humble, hina va tiva. Want to say we know them very well. Okay, fine. Nata mprovela ku why ni ku nani u luma tumbela lwa xihundleni a luma tumbela lwa xihundleni a luma tumbela. Yes, the thing ne umesa EP yin'wana ya yena yi nga na track nyana yin'wana ya ku vo Tsonga King, vo King vo what so ku yini and he knows ku ri munhu loyi a ti vitana King hi mehe wavo. King yin'wanyana yi le ka music wa house wa King Mnada, King Salama, King yini, King blah 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 blah. U tlanga hip hop, loko uza nghena ka hip hop u fika ku vanhu va ti vitana ti King yini, it's obvious u swi kongomisa ka mani. Loko no ba music wa Mnada, no ba genre le ya Mnada, ni fika ni ku vanhu va ti vitana ti King, obvious ni vula King Mnada. So se a swi ze swi lave spotlight, ni va ni kha ni vula King Mnada, right? My tiva that song, most of you know that song, but ni endle yini ni ngheni la antwanga na wun'we a ku why u gega mthimbani ni ngheni la. Game 2 na swi twa swingomangoma swa gega ivi a gega loko mi swi realize n'we ti fan ku u gegini a tsutsuma endla life a ni lwi na munhu blah 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 mina I don't have negative energy mina I'm this and that, mina I'm lexi na lexi, because people, they always want you to see angels when you look at them. Man to says like at this game you have to be smart and clever, because that's what they do. Mwina always mitiva ku munhu u humble. We know people lava mngwe va humble ina va tiva. We know them. Abo? And xin'wana lexi mi nga xi tiveki i ku most of the EP kumbe ti track leti ti gega kume do you know ku 75% of the studio that I'm using, it's my property. Lexi xi tirhisaka hi Mena Rico share studio share one. This is something personal. Social media. I never talked about this. Not even a single day. But I have to address it. Why mention 75% of the studio that me and Rico we are using, 75% it's my property, that studio. It's Studio Shamin. But for now, but stationary is Studio Shamin and Rico. And by the way, I'm about to open my own studio. Leshanda /owner Rico. Shout out to Rico Mentals, your best producer. And no one's going to take your place. You're the best. So, Tingomata K-Nice. Some of his EP, I think third EP, na album, if I'm not mistaken. Some of the beats got the EP na album. The endle Rico. Rico the endle to the Shaman na ye. Some of the songs letting a album, ya K-Nice, the endle Rico. Rico the endle to the Shaman na ye. If you guys me K-Nice na ngela zela. An ngata fuka sukunwana ngela Rico no ke Rico byela K-Nice kuna men lava ti shares because music wa yelo ungole ku ndleleni ka mali undliwa hi half ya undliwa hi property ya me. Do you know kuna ti project ta K-Nice la ka studio lexa? You know that. Even futhi ngifule matihlo, you can call Rico to delete it if one chuwa kumenta steka neswi tirhisa swin'wana. I won't do that. I won't do that. That album, yeah, some of the beats, not the project. I'm being feature in see master work. My own studio. Rico. My own property. Nyukwamelo mulushawa material ya. Want to say Tungomata K-Nice. The master waka Rico. Ka studio Shamina. Leshinga 75% of my property, of my equipment. La even when me tango ngari na full info muku K-Nice na ngizonda na ngijela zela ngisala ndzako what bra umise ti EP tingani ta ku ti beat na ti track ti master wa ka property ya me ninga tshama nikhumba. I never talk to him about it no brand lot shares or yin on jela Rico no unga producer dama. No. How many people against me? Mabatiba, I won't say names. I won't say no names. You know them. Want to say, fine. He came to Palabura, ne? Ka first event, na second event. We talked in a Rico. Mena Rico, blah blah everything. We are friends. K-Nice ulava ku ta ata ilava accommodation ulava ku ta ata hostel. So anistuk family ntai approach njani kumjita akuma accommodation ka va Rico, right? Fine, because mena Rico we are brothers, we talk everything. Mna Rico no Rico won ngombela please confronta in family over approach at samana one so ruba shamola. We can't let the guy book at the guest house Rico. Abo anala ngata ngururela kona me, but you're the only one who's having a house nearby so namtones. So please accommodate the guy. K-Nice ukota ku save mali at the guest house later fin at booking ka 2 times lokatala Palabora. Lo nuka 2 times nubula ku kusungula ka event usungula nele ka event ya vumbirhi. Why? We make a shock akuma accommodation. Okay, some of the clips, maybe one clip if I'm not mistaken, ka event usungula misbonini loko nung nikari a posta if the poster tayena was there ka yin'wana ya ti clip ninga vulavula ni ku score tanani blah 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 blah. I was under compensation ka support. Want to says angari wala Palabura, but I supported him. Loko Angela van'wanyana around lab a complain aku valava kung sabotage va kwala kusuwani va ku rhandza ku sabotage na va karhi va sabotage one man show ya me. He called me, hey bra va la ku sabotage va endla event. I said K-Nice relax bra, lineup ya we ti boyini strong khome va Benny khome Hennessy khome va Gagashi khome vo no vula na le ka ya kusungula na ya vumbirhi. We used to talk, he used to call me no vulavula na yena no encourage and unika hope where he was about to lose hope. Sometimes he used to ask me about how to majita la manga na sound na stage na nukula lakuswana ntivi munhu but antiva Dr. Stole. I don't know what the charge state from Sakuyini. I'll try to get Dr. Stole and then it communicate. He used to call me, we used to talk like brothers. Baba, I'm so surprised loko ava umise conversation ya me arivaleni. This is the side of a story that you don't know about the boy who is playing game ya kutumbela ivika social media ku afika atanga a cheletela ti sunshine na mablomu kun'we meta ku ya is humble. The boy ulwa secretly, he's fighting secretly. I'm an artist, I've been in a game since 2012. No rapper loyi angata tlanga hide and seek in ngangoni. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. You can't. No Tonga rapper can fool me. No, you not even a single day. You get thanks to game and showing up woni. Especially loko wa kufika tolo wanu wa supele primary. Me kuri khale ni ri varsity. Ni mile rihlanga la. Ikhale ndzikini. Want to say so bra from supporta equipment ku mastera music wa ye u mastera Rico ka equipment ya me from supporta hope no supporta. We used to talk in phone no bala ku sabotage from for 2 gig kan supporta from supporta ku make sure ku blala na Rico no bra accommodate am for yetu ange book the guest house here ko from supporta hey bra, come on, bra. Namucha mirene nampilu yo beer. Ah, serious. You can't be serious. You can't be serious. So this is what people do. Bam combat image leti ngwe mngati woneki. Batumbeta leti bangalabe kumititiva. Just like ban lava ya kukereke. Always slash phone tatsama ka ru wana badge kumbe xiambalo xa kereke. That's an angel, but there's a wolf hiding. And you don't know. So, bruh, come on. How can I be jealous of someone doing outside? Never party, never proud when you make it in life. Never proud when you make it in life. Want to say. But since he achieved, I saw this other poster posting Ari better than the South. Homeboy lojika kwa la tlela. He never came to us at Pushela Majitae. He never came. Lojika ndlele na vai. Ebo mara posting kunle better. But he never came to Pushela Majitae. Okay guys. After the struggle, the Shimon and supporter show. This is what happens. Knowledge. Just to show us, he go congratulate. Just like you used to call us, Urila Loko sabotage. Want to say you were supposed to call Majita and the PHB na kumbon. Want to say Ujigot. And now we na mir moon says, you can't wait. You moon says you can't wait. But I know the defender and you going to hate me, maybe whatever, but I'm fed up. I'm fed up. Youngsters, like the artist, let's talk about the tribal Tamala. I'm fed up. I kept quiet for a long time. A lot of things I've let it slide. Then after that, this guy DJ was. After blah blah so shanga sublavula shagegame mjita after a share daiding kena sa share daiding lokai share then homeboy abona ku tiko rang attack ka comment section. You the same people ngomngalo commenting la ngomngoni nambili yokubia you are the same people laba mga commenta leka yemuku why se ulwana mthimbani makakuri was struck demand ilwa na mtimbani look we ishare poster ya leslock na we ilwa na mtimbani babo mjita asibona ku esa tangushubela Abo a endla life ati chavelela sweswi nga swi vekisa so ku he loko munhu a acknowledge xipano xa mehe so and he also said whether Wes or whether Mtimbani or whoever, if they want to start something with me, no one knows nta xiyimela xitori xa mehe. And then abazela ku vula marito ya ku if shoe fits then wear it, which means ku I don't give a damn loko yi ku vava track liya or swi ku vava swa ku ni xerisi swa Wes, whatever, it's whatever, yabo. But then after that he called me alava ku nta kota ku n'wi bribela ka n'we the same people n'wina ngo na mbili ya ku biha, yabo. Alava ku ri nta n'wi bribela ka n'we vanhu ku wona let's stop fighting because I vona ku se n'we mikwatini defend mikwatini ku va xirisi swa Damani swa Wes leswi swi lwaku na mina, yabona. He deleted those things because swi vona ku a swi mi tsakisangi. Want to see loko vona ku mikwatini then unbribe ka Brano let's say so what I agreed because I'm mbili ya ku biha, yabo. I agreed. You know what, it's fine, let's let it slide, it's fine, let's just let it slide. But the way you are moving like you look confusing kavan, but I can see your moves, just move nicely, yabo. So swi nga vuya mili haleni. So ku hetelela ku fikiwe ka point ya ku hi postela na ti-event ku ri me ta kota ku n'wi pfuna ku bribe tiko ku no Damani a ni le ku lweni na yena, vanhu va defend ta yena mi nga ni zondi a ni le ku lweni na yena, yabona. So ni poste ka Facebook no ku Mtimbani one man show in December. The boy knows very well, ku last time ku zani hostele Epic it was because ani zama ku baleka I moya lo uri kowa ku nungisala ndzhaku, yabo. Even loko ni ya Epic Mthunzi nta vuya after, so he knows ku tshama ku na Mthunzi, he knows ku ri nta hostela Mthunzi, yabo. Leswaku ni foyinela ni vutisa ku u ya hostela kwini, ni vutisa venue. Yes, he did call and I didn't tell him because some of the things is my personal issues and ngi byeli everything even though I vulavula, yabo. He called me and vutisa ku ya hostela kwini only to check ku moya u bela kwini, hi ku lava ku teka advantage ya ku vanhu lava nga khoma Mthunzi I vanhu va le bush. So a ti byela ku no nta bani kokerini la because vanhu lava nga khoma Mthunzi I va le bush, so nta tshama ni khomini, yabo. And that's not gonna work, it won't work like that. Want to see? So a tsutsuma a tsala ka Facebook a ku Mthunzi December, right? After that nga sela masiku mangani ni vona post only to prevent me ku nga vulavuli Mthunzi ku once you talk about he knows ku lalulekani ndawu ya ku ya blind Mthunzi, yabo. He knows very well ku once andla poster I preventa me pfala nomo so u nga vulavuli Mthunzi ni bukini, close your mouth. That is plain. Ku loko nta vulavula Mthunzi me ku n'we mi ta ku me nungisala ndzhaku. That is plain. That's what he's doing. So the guy looked like I kept quiet. Then I move like a snake. I told to my host Mthunzi just to block me kuninga host. Abantu but some anjala maritiako yeah, why host ankale, why email me so blah 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 blah. Something like that. Want to see? So the reason why I'm explain is because I need to see why I link conversation ya me na ye. Loko ni vulavula na yena n'wi addressa ka swilo leswi nga swi recorda la. Loko ni n'wi recorda ka loko ni n'wi addressa ka swilo leswi ni nga swi recorda la. Yabo, it was because antanga ka social media. Antanga ka social media no n'wi landza straight ka WhatsApp. Swi va between me na ye, but a swi linka ku swi va outside. Okay, that's the reason why I say I'm explaining this, because I have to clarify the side of my story. Because ngwama sisa mntwana chumi side ra me. I'm not to siya la. Lesya anti soul deserve to know. He deserve to know. So but then that's what it is. It's up to you guys ku miteka yini mi la ku believe yini, you mi la ku develop anger towards me, me create a hatred, me vula whatever mi lava ku swi vula, you are jealous, mbilu, hey what mbili ya vuloyi, blah 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 blah. Say whatever you want to say. You can say whatever you want to say. Ani nga ta swi vula swilo leswi loko ku nga linkiwangi conversation leya. So that movie unprofessional, movie unprofessional, leswi ni mi byela swona ka ngomela spotlight niku ulwa atumberini ivi kan'we aku ye innocent, alwa atumberini kan'we afika ku innocent, ku prove sweswo ku confirma sweswo. Nanguta u teke conversation leya ayi niketa vanhu va publish, ye anga yi postanga, u nike vanhu va publish. Swi komba hi sweswo, swi confirma leswi ni nga swi vula ku va lwela hansi ka tafula kun'we mi nga va voni ku va le kulweni. That's why ni mi byela no va ku na murhepe loyi nga ta endla ti-snake moves me ni nga n'wi voni. Yabo, you can't make the snake moves ni nga ku voni. As long as uri murhepa, I will see your moves. I've been in a game for so long, you can't make moves ni nga ku voni. That's highly impossible. If you make moves, I'll see you straight. I'll see you. Yabo, so leswi ni vula swona ku luwa ku tumberini, ku lumiwa ku pfureteriwa, ku luwa ku tumberini, ku luwa ku tumberiwini, sweswi ya ku ri okay, sweswo swi confirma yaliya a linkisa Daiden conversation leya, wa vona, ene yi nga linki hi ku yi nga postiwa ka page ra yena a nyika van'wanyana va senda. So for the sake ya n'we mi n'wi byela Zele, most of his songs ti must stariwa ka studio lexi nga 75% of my property. The EP ta yena, album ya yena, I remember loko ni kuma Rico Kara master track leya ku nga na the voice ta NEC, it's all there. Swi kwala ka PC yaliya, the same property that I bought with my money, it's there. His music, it's there. And I put on some lava ti shares ma ku music wa wo master wa ka property. No. I took him as a brother. I took him as a brother. So but you guys mi ri na n'wi byela Zele, there's a lot of artists lava va humaka ka mavoko lama ni nga va pfuna me, yabo, ene me a ni tumbeti loko munhu a ni pfunini. That's why ni endle ngoma leya ni ku munhu i munhu hi vanhu. Tlha ni mention straight, ni hlaya va BNB, va Masingi, hlayetela va Beki Mjaji, ni hlayetela hinkwavo lava nga ni pfuna. Ni le ka album leya mani wa mina ku na track leya Grateful. I'm still talking about the people lava nga ni pfuna, though la ka leya ni mentionang mavito. Yabo, I know ku munhu hi vanhu, na me na pfuniwa ni munhu, na me na me na pfuniwa. I do need help, I do need people around me. Ni nge hanyi ni ri one. Yabo, so like leswiwani swi swa ku a fane ni swi keep a secret, leswi va between us as brothers swi nga humeli handle, yabo. But ni swi humesela handle because n'we site ra mina ra xitori mi se ri tiva. N'we mi tiva munhu a ri humble, mi tiva munhu a ri ntsumi, mi tiva munhu a ri clean. That's the picture leyi a mi kombaka yo, yabo. Hey, mina I don't have negative energies, stuff like that. Leswi n'we mi tivaka so. But then that's the side of my story. That's the side of my story. Leswi nga sala is for whoever ku a believer leswi lava ku teka show about me or about the matter. About this whole mess. Meni pfune vanhu va ku tala mina mani misave. Meni pfune vanhu va ku tala mina mani misave. Eku havana wa mhamba wa ku vuya ta ku danke. Eku havana wa mhamba wa ku vuya ta ku danke. What is King Tsonga, man? Shout out. That was it. No ataka boy. Kuba ka nikiwa vocalist, mina I'm just a rapper. Anta call high voice, bro. No ataka boy. Tana kunjwa njani ni sport kwimbelela ke leswaku longo xidumbu. I confirm hi yexe ku hikanene leswi nga swi vula swa ku ye I lwa xihundleni I ntiyiso. Ku teka conversation ya mina ye a nga post hi yexe. A niketa vanhu va yi posta tla acta nga ri nothing it's happening. anga yi postanga ka page ra yena, unless if I post in shows, but last time when I check anga yi postanga. Yabo? So that's even lava n'we mungu va humble valava lava mungu va humble. I hope ni vone Pastor Shavo shuku bra mina stay humble. Just laugh now this. So yeah, it says once again defender me guys, please I apologize and gombela me accept the apology me defend and lakum disappoint guys na kuri I respect you so much defender mina nam respecta swinene nam respecta defender me. So hi mhaka n'wina na apologize ka n'wina defender me hi mhaka n'wina. I'm nothing without you guys. I'm kuri ni vulongo. Without you guys ni vulongo. Without my fans ni vulongo, completely vulongo. I know ni vulongo without you guys. And chomu without the fan ni malongo. Without the fan amen ni malongo. So guys nam need. So I still support him 100%, but he must move nice. Avo angan clarity ikula kula ta hosta yena ntsena mhaka ku ni voni ni post ka Facebook atsuma na yena ti post sa ka Facebook mthunzi what leswaku ni foyinela ani vutisa o lava ku lata xava tale nungwi. Last time he bribe banini ku okay I posted anti event kasi lana an xaviwa ku ni lwele nyimpi le cause tiko ra nhlasela after loko posted the event ni vona n'weti fan semi relax semi koka moya mi nga attack after loko ni hi postela ni ti event wabo loko ni lwa na ye a ni ta nga pfumelangi ku postela event ene naswo swa mita n'weti fan n'we mi ngo ni bihe a mi ta va mari ku n'wi attackeni na sweswi ku why a share swilo swa Wes lwe a vulavula malongo hi me. You see, read between the lines. There is some common sense. What you see is over nyimfu. Kuna misi lanzeni. You know, there's these people lava kuku Gaza ivalwela. Valava Gaza iva imelela. Ma actor we innocent. Ibu innocent kulingisa conversation ya hina. Ibu munhu humble. Mila ku byela ku a swi confirm swona swi nga vula ka spotlight ku va lwa va tumberini ku tekiwa conversation yi sendeliwa munhu ku yi post ye n'wini wa swanga post swilo leswi nga le fonini ya yena swi hume njhani fonini ya yena phezulu le fonini ya yena swi okay se ku te munhu a ta yiva foni ya yena a posta a linkisa swilo leswiya ku te fan yi fika yi yiva foni ya yena yi linkisa dayideng. Come on guys, va mi nga tirhisi xilo lexi va ngo i byongo xilo lexi va ngo i kabes. You see what lexi ni nga xi twisiseki, one thing that I don't get is when they do things very hip hop, you call it hip hop, but when I do the same thing they are doing, he could respond ka leswi va nga swi endla. Kama mbulu ku hip hop, mire beef, jealousy, buloyi, mbilu ya ku biha. Why do you call it hip hop? Look, other people do the same thing that I'm doing and it's endla after all. Why kama mga vulu ku hip hop? Kama hip hop buloyi, but bas endlini kusungula. Muku ya that's hip hop. That's hip hop. That's how hip hop supposed to be. And then namen ya endla that hip hop because I want the same comment. That's how hip hop supposed to be. I'm full kame ku hip hop miria unambila be. Hewan. Serious. So you guys, are you saying ku higegiwa mier? Hidereriwa iwa nakufika tolo mier. That's what I know. That's not me. That's not me. That's all the other DJ pads no jeli street no address straight no give up. Uchava labo chava ku bo hali na ikutsi. Kanu game to no endela freestyle. Anga si tama kanzi ya mic. not even a single day a nga si tshama khandziya khoma mic ku Mthimbani this and that hi ri ate yimele munhu a ku tse ni vuri ni ku tse so tlanga swigema swa n'we swa kuphunta ivi ku vanhu va ta ku hip hop loko hina hi endla hi play the same games ka hina mvuli ku hip hop miri i vuloyi i jealous i ku zonda munhu i ku sala munhu come on guys, no, that's not gonna work. Thank you. In God we trust. Undefeated is Dombo. I'm out. Peace.